Take the benchmark S&P 500. December has been ugly, including a gut-wrenching plummet on Christmas Eve. Then yesterday, it rocketed up nearly 5%, only for it today to sink like a rock, then surge back in the final hour of trading. For portfolio watchers, it's hard to call these holidays relaxing. So yes, rising and falling, that's what markets do. But swings like these are unusual any time of year. So what's the fuel for the frenzy? Ron Charles lays it all out.
Some blame the latest market volatility on a report today suggesting U.S. consumer confidence in the economy is faltering. Experts say that consumer perception is far from the reality.
Let's talk about low unemployment, rising retail sales. You know, there's a lot of good things. The tax cuts actually are going to kick in, and they've been kicking in. It's a good thing for the economy. They're strong. Company earnings are great.
In spite of the good economic news, volatility has gripped U.S. and global markets for a number of reasons, including rising U.S. interest rates, President Donald Trump's public anger at the U.S. Federal Reserve for those rising rates, and Trump's trade war with China.
Merry Christmas.
Unlike his predecessors, Trump has no qualms about openly criticizing the Fed as recently as Christmas Day.
They're raising interest rates too fast. That's my opinion. The economy is doing so well that they raised interest rates, and that's as a form of safety, in a way. President Obama didn't do much of that. Much easier to run when you have no interest rate. He had a very low interest rate.
For weeks, Trump's made it clear he isn't happy with higher interest rates or the man he blames for them, his pick for Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Speculation that Trump might try to oust Powell or his Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin may also have sent markets on their wild ride. The head of Trump's Council of Economic Advisors, Kevin Hassett, tried to counter that.
Very clear that Secretary Mnuchin's job is safe. Is the Fed's chairman's job safe?
Yes, of course, 100%, yes.
100%. Fed chairman's job is not in jeopardy by this president?
Absolutely, that's correct, yes.
Massive, because I sold 1,500 ABB.
U.S. stock markets have just 2 more days of trading this year, potentially 2 more days of turmoil. Ron Charles, CBC News, Washington.